Recently, OnePlus rolled out the stable version of Android 5 via OTA upgrade for their OnePlus 6 devices. This video is about the top 3 new features of Android 5 in OnePlus 6. So this is Pratham. Be sure leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. I post some good content on it. So go to the link in the description down below. With that being said, let's get started.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Talking about the top 3 features of Android 5, the first one is navigation bar gestures. So basically, you don't need to tap on back button, home button, or reset button. Just swipe from the bottom of the screen in order to use home button, or swipe from bottom of the screen and pause for recent tab, and swipe from bottom right or bottom left of the screen for back action key.
Don't let them tell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once.
Moving on to the second feature, which is my personal favorite, is the hidden space. So basically, these features allow you to hide your app secretly from anyone. To use this feature, you have to go on the app drawer and swipe right from the left to access the hidden space, and you can hide your app or unhide your apps in the screen now. Moving on to the third feature, which is gaming mode. As we all know that the OnePlus 6 is powered by Snapdragon 845, this means the gaming experience in this device absolutely incredible. After enabling this mode, your battery life has been optimized. This means you get more screen on time as compared to previous version of Android 5. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to the channel. So this is Pratham signing off. Goodbye.
Just the way you